你好, in this lesson we are going to learn how to say yellow fruits in Chinese. 香蕉、芒果、柠檬、梨、菠萝、柚子、杨桃。我喜欢在运动后吃一根香蕉。这个梨是酸甜的。杨桃熟了吗？If you love to read, then make sure to check out our Chinese great readers with audio. One of my favorites is Aliens in Shanghai. 菠萝和芒果都是热带水果。你想喝芒果汁还是柠檬汁？这个柚子好大呀，我一个人吃不完。Chinese great readers designed for every level. Short novels written by native Chinese authors. Diverse themes that keep you engaged. Exercises and audio of stories recorded by native speakers. Discover the joy of reading in Chinese and level up your Chinese. Ebook, available at Amazon, Apple Books, Barnes & Noble, Kobo. Paperback, available at Amazon.